What's up, man? It's been a little minute, but got a lot to share with y'all. Uh, why I haven't been going a while? It's been like 8 months since I posted a video, so that's January. A lot of things been going on, so this video is basically just telling y'all where I've been, what's been going on with me, and things like that. So if you're interested, continue watching. So I guess we're gonna start. Uh, Basically 2019. So 2019, got what I had thoughts in my mind. Want to expand business, real estate wise. Want to expand the rentals. Want to expand the flips. Really want to grow in the real estate business and go to the next level. So, you know, so with wholesaling, with that being said, what wholesaling is getting distressed properties under contract and then selling those contracts to other buyers. But with wholesaling, you're the source of all great deals, right? So in my mind, I was like, really don't like wholesaling, but for me to scale business, grow business, go to the next level, I need to start a wholesaling company so I can get access to the best flips, the best rentals with the most equity, and grow everything in the real estate business. So, thinking over time, probably a few months, just thinking who could I partner with, and then thought about my partner that I have now, which is Tyron. Thought about him and his journey he had, and how we got together and things like that. So we became partners. We agreed. I think I called him November 19, asked him, hey, if you're interested. Started getting things together in December, and we officially partnered up in January of 2020. And, things have been pretty good since then. So that's what's really been going on with me. With that being said, there's no way I could have been on YouTube because it's a lot. I still was working, family, and then business. So it's like way too much with YouTube. So YouTube is a job within itself. So, editing videos takes a lot of time. Shooting content takes a lot of time. Finding people to hold a camera to shoot content, it's a lot. So it's just too much going on. So I put YouTube on the back burner, and then you gotta think about Instagram too. That's another job. So I just put YouTube on the back burner until I could provide great content and consistent content. So I just put that, on the side. So now I'm moving forward, coming back with more consistent videos, teaching y'all different things to help y'all out, help y'all grow in real estate, help y'all grow in the credit business. The credit space, help y'all grow financially. So I just want to all around, give great content, help people out, especially, the black community, because we struggling in every part of financial literacy. So that's my main goal. So that's the business side. Work has been good as well. Real estate business has been good as well. With the real estate business, I no longer do property management. So at one point, I was doing pretty much everything in the business. I was a GC, general contractor. I was the property manager. I was not really the handyman, but it's a small little problem, I will fix it. So I'm no longer the handyman, no longer the property manager, but I will always remain the GC from now on. Reason being because I'm still learning. I know a lot right now, but I'm still learning. But I like to be in contact with everybody that goes to the property, because I got, it's all about relationships. So I got relationships with all my contractors. So I like that part of the business. But everything I didn't like, I delegated it to somebody else. So my girlfriend is a property manager now. My best friend, Dan, and my brother is the handyman. So if it's a small little issue, I call him first. If it's a major issue, I call a contractor to go handle that situation. So like, let's just say the toilet stopped up, I just call my brother first, he go handle that. Now if it's the AC break, I call the AC man, just depends on the situation or what it is. But I try to keep every job, in the family, but you gotta be serious about your tasks. If you're not serious about your tasks, family or not, you still get fired. At the end of the day, it's just business. So as a business side, personal side, in January, my daughter's born January 20th. So with that, you know, it's a lot of things to deal with. You know, it's a newborn. Takes a lot of energy, a lot of effort. You know, again, I got to put all my energy into that and other different things. Couldn't really be on YouTube like that. I could have, but then I'd take back from the business, family, uh, newborn, things like that. So it's a bunch of different reasons why, but that's the main reasons why I haven't been on YouTube. And I just want to give y'all that. And we got a lot coming soon. I'm gonna have a lot of videos for y'all too. So we're gonna be more consistent. If y'all can, let me know what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn about. I'm here to provide value to y'all. So hopefully, you know, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Go follow me on YouTube, on Instagram. I changed my Instagram name, by the way. It's O'Neil, Oneil J Parker. Go follow me on Instagram, and you know, be ready to take that ride with me because I'm coming with a lot of content, man. Y'all just subscribe, tell a friend. If y'all want to know any more information about me, just go on Instagram. I'm very active on Instagram. Shoot me a message, okay? I'm very responsive. I'm not the type of person that I'm telling you to shoot me a message, but I won't reply. Go on Instagram, hit that follow button. If you got any question, shoot it to me. If you want to learn about real estate, I'm offering consultation calls. It's going to be in the link down below. If you need credit repair, I'm also doing that as well. I'm building a new website, so if I got the website together, I'm gonna put that in the link below. If not, you know, you can hit me up on Instagram or through the website. I also have an ebook. It's called an Interest-Free Money Guide, but we're not gonna talk about that today. It's gonna be a whole nother video. If you're interested in the ebook, hit the link down below. It's gonna be a link. Go have the Interest-Free Money Guide. It's on Gumroad. So go check that out. I appreciate y'all's support, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.